PTE is a machine scored exam and you need to remember certain things to score high in PTE Academic, especially in questions like read aloud in the speaking section. Hi guys, this is Amrita from Go Study, and in this video, let's decode some key strategies to ace your PTE speaking exam. To begin with, speak smoothly, don't fumble, and don't self-correct even if you mispronounce a word. Maintain an even speed while speaking, neither too fast nor too slow. Next one, very important, speak in a sharp and clear tone and not in a subdued voice. Your pronunciation should be as clear as the moon in a full moon night. Also, don't give unnecessary stress on words while speaking. And last but not the least, while practicing mock tests, record your own voice. Listen to that recording later, note down the mistakes that you make while pronouncing certain words and avoid the mistakes the next time. Hope this helps. Happy learning!